Okay, so these are called seated pistol squats, okay? Pistol squats are usually with body weight or even a weight, but you go all the way down without using a seat. Today we're gonna use a seat, okay, or a box or a bench. Either one is totally fine. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab one plate, okay? You can have a 5, a 10, or even a dumbbell if you wanna go a little higher. And you're gonna hold it straight out in front of you, nice and high. You're gonna bring one leg up, okay? You're gonna come down, and you're driving up. 1. Keep this other leg off the ground and stabilize with your standing leg. Still driving through your heel. Notice I'm still driving through my heel at all times. Coming up, use the other side. That's great for the quads, great for the glutes.